Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Painkiller. We are discussing about differential equation, and in our last two videos we have completed two rules for making a differential equation exact. Check the link in the description for rule number 1 and 2. Today we will do rule number 3. So without any further delay, let's get started. So rule number 3 says, if in the equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0, the value of 1 by n del m del y minus del n del x is a function of x only, say fx, then if equal to, that is our integrating factor, equal to e to the power integration of fx dx. So let's take up an example to understand this more easily. We have taken an example, x square plus y square plus x dx plus xy dy equal to 0. Here we need to know that here del m del y means the partial differentiation of m with respect to y. So when we are partially differentiating m with respect to y, we will consider all terms except y as constants. So when we are differentiating n with respect to x, then we will consider all terms except x as constant. So let's get started with the example. Here we can see that our m is this part, that is our m is x square plus y square plus x, and our n is this one, that is our xy. So we have to find the value of this portion, that is 1 by n. N is our xy, and we have to partially differentiate m with respect to y and partially differentiate n with respect to x. So let's do it. Del m del y पहले निकाल लेते हैं, तो ये हो जाता है x² प्लस x. तो इसको अगर हम डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे, पार्शियली डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे, तो एक y के सिवा जो भी कुछ है वो कांस्टेंट की तरह ट्रीट होगा. तो x जो है, x² जो है वो कांस्टेंट की तरह ट्रीट होगा, और ये आ जाएगा ओनली y² का डिफरेंशिएट, दैट इज 2y. एंड देन वी विल हैव टू फाइंड del n del x. So here we have to find this as, and here x is also treated as y is also treated as constant. तो x का डिफरेंशिएट हो जाएगा 1, तो सिर्फ y आ जाएगा, क्योंकि हमारा इधर y होता है कांस्टेंट. तो हम x y को अगर पार्शियली डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x, तो सिर्फ y बच जाएगा. तो देन वी नीड टू फाइंड 1 बाई n del m del y माइनस del n del x. 1 by n होता है 1 by xy, and then 2y minus y, the value of this and this we have already got that. So 1 by xy into y, that is y will be cut off, and we will get only 1 by x, which is a function of x only. We can see that it is a function of x only. So our if will be e to the power integration of fx, that is 1 by x dx. तो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 by x dx होता है log x, e to the power log x. तो we can say it is x as a to the power log b base a is equal to b only. We know this is a rule. A to the power log b base a equal to b, that is a और a अगर सेम होता है तो सिर्फ b निकल के आता है हमारा. तो इधर भी हमारा log का बेस e ही हम सोच ले सकते हैं, तो इधर भी e सेम है, तो we can say x only will be the answer. So we have to multiply the whole equation with x to find the exact equation. So let's write it. Multiplying the equation with x, we get x cube plus x y square plus x square dx plus x square y dy equal to 0. So now we have to solve it as it is an exact equation. Now we can solve it using the solution of exact equation. So let's write the solution of exact equation. The solution is m dx, integration of m dx, where y will be constant, plus terms of n not having x dy equal to constant. So our m is this part, x cube plus x y square plus x square. So we will differentiate it, integrate it, x square plus x square dx while y is constant, plus the terms of n not having x. We can see that terms of n is only x square y, which is a term that has x. So we will not consider anything for this part. For this part there will be nothing, that is 0. So we can write 0 or we can write nothing and then equal to constant, that is c. So now we have to integrate it with respect to x while considering y as a constant. So if we do that, तो ये तो आ जाएगा x क्यूब का हो जाएगा x to the power 4/4 और इधर y स्क्वायर कांस्टेंट के तरह ट्रीट होगा तो ये आ जाएगा x का सिर्फ इंटीग्रेशन, तो हो जाएगा x स्क्वायर, ये y स्क्वायर जैसा है वैसा ही बाई 2 आ जाएगा, x स्क्वायर का बाई 2, एंड x स्क्वायर का अगर हम इंटीग्रेशन करेंगे तो x क्यूब बाई 3 आ जाएगा, विच इज इक्वल टू ओनली द कांस्टेंट. So this is our answer. So this was rule number 3 for reducible exact equation with IF, where IF is e to the power integration of fx dx. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't miss the bell icon so that you can get notified when we post our next videos. So मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो पर. थैंक यू.